Did you know that the idea of machines detecting their own faults isn't a new sci-fi concept? It's a story that's been unfolding for decades. Let's travel back in time, long before machine learning was a buzzword. It all started in the mid-20th century with industrial automation. Factories were getting bigger and more complex. A single breakdown could cost a fortune and halt production for days. Early systems were simple, relying on basic thresholds. Imagine a light that flashes red if a machine's temperature gets too high. It was effective, but not very smart. It could only tell you something was already wrong, not that something was about to go wrong. Then came the 1980s and the rise of expert systems. Engineers tried to code their own knowledge into computers. They'd create massive rulebooks like, if vibration pattern A and temperature B occur, then it's likely bearing failure. This was a huge step forward. These systems could diagnose problems with some accuracy, but they were rigid. They couldn't learn from new data or handle situations the engineers hadn't predicted. Plus, building and maintaining these rulebooks was a nightmare. The real game changer arrived with the computational power boom of the late 90s and early 2000s. Suddenly, we had the muscle to process vast amounts of data. This is where machine learning truly entered the scene. Instead of telling the machine the rules, we started feeding it data and letting it figure out the patterns on its own. Early models like neural networks and support vector machines began to analyze sensor data, vibrations, temperatures, acoustic signals, looking for subtle anomalies that were invisible to the human eye. They learned what normal operation looked like and could flag even the tiniest deviation. This was the birth of predictive maintenance. We were no longer just detecting faults. We were predicting them. Today, deep learning models can analyze incredibly complex data streams in real time. From spotting microscopic cracks in wind turbine blades using image analysis to predicting engine trouble in an airplane mid-flight, machine learning is the silent guardian keeping our world running safely and efficiently. It's a journey from simple red lights to intelligent systems that learn and adapt, and it's far from over. What started as a simple need to prevent factory downtime has evolved into a technology that saves lives and shapes our future. Thanks for watching. If you found this history interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that runs our world. See you next time.